Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, my name is Arika. For this video, I'll make some tutorial about how to use a toaster. Without any further ado, let's just jump into the tutorial. This is what your toaster will look like. This is from Ozone. Alright, first thing first, we have to plug it into an electrical outlet. Nice. Second thing, you need some bread. Then next, place the bread into the slots of toaster, like this. Once the bread is placed into the toaster, slots press down on the lever. And then adjust the knob to your desired level of toasted. I prefer 2.5. Okay, this is the button that you can use to cancel the toast job at any time. This is what the inside will look like during toasting. It's hot. Do not place metal into the toaster while toaster is on or still hot. Now we'll wait. It's popped! Once the toast has popped, be careful removing the toast as it will be hot. Now we can top your toast with your choice of toppings. I use my lovely one of a mountain because this is one of the best thing ever, like a bomb. Alright, after using the toaster for a while, the crumb tray will need empty. Pull it out and be careful not to spill. Empty the crumbs into a trash can and replace the tray. And we're all done.